Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google BigQuery data transfer config step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the BigQuery section in the left-hand menu. Once in BigQuery, locate the Data Transfer option. Click on Data Transfer to open the Data Transfer page. On the Data Transfer page, click on the Create Transfer button. Select the source of the data you wish to transfer. Fill in the required details for your data source. Choose the transfer schedule that fits your needs. In the Destination Datasets section, select the BigQuery dataset for your data. If necessary, configure the data transfer options according to your requirements. Now, click on the Authorize button to provide the necessary permissions. A new window will open, prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. Review the permissions requested by BigQuery. Click Allow to grant permission for the data transfer. After returning to the data transfer page, review your transfer configuration. Make any final adjustments if needed. Finally, click on Save to complete the authorization process. Your data transfer configuration is now authorized and ready to run. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.